In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into circles in Photopea. We're creating a clean circular crop that's perfect for profile pictures, avatars, and design elements with transparent backgrounds. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, non-destructive way so you can tweak it at any time. First, open Photopea in your browser. Once it loads, go to File, then Open, and choose the image you want to crop. Pick a photo with enough resolution so the circle looks crisp wherever you use it. Next, select the Elliptical Marquee tool from the toolbar. If you see the rectangular option, click and hold it to reveal the elliptical one. At the top, in the tool options, set Style to Fixed Ratio and enter 1 by 1. This locks your selection to a perfect circle, so you don't have to worry about it turning into an oval. Now draw the circle. Click and drag over your image to create the selection. Aim to center it over the part of the photo you want to keep, like a face or a logo. If the circle isn't quite in the right spot, release and drag again, or move your cursor just inside the marching ants and drag to reposition the selection. Take a moment to adjust the size and placement until it frames your subject nicely. With the circular selection active, apply a layer mask. In the Layers panel, click Add Raster Mask at the bottom. Instantly, everything outside the circle is hidden while the content inside remains visible. This is the best method because it's non-destructive. You're not deleting pixels, just masking them, so you can refine the result later without starting over. If you want only the circular image with nothing behind it, hide or delete the background layer. When you do this, you'll see a gray and white checkerboard around the circle, which indicates transparency. That transparency is exactly what you need for clean overlays on websites, slides, or social media. When you're happy with the crop, export it as a PNG to preserve that transparency. Go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG. Keep the default settings unless you need a specific size, then click Save. Your circular image will download with a transparent background, ready to drop into any design. And that's it. You opened your image, made a perfect circular selection, masked it for a clean, flexible crop, optionally removed the background and exported as a